All right, I have just arrived at the Kurogane Iron Works studio. Hayashi-san is a one-man band, very much like me, I guess, with video production, but he creates iron knives and from steel, all sorts of stuff, and he's going to be giving us information on how he does this. I'm pretty excited about it. Let me get my mask here. Look at that. We are in the middle of the wilderness. I'll put a link in the description too if you're interested in learning about this. Now, I believe it takes quite a while to make a knife. So I don't know if we're getting a chance to do that, but Hayashi-san is going to introduce to us. And there he is right there. Hayashi-san.
Hi.
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Thanks for taking time.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Welcome home my workshop.
Wow, I see already you have some knives here.
Okay. Yeah, I make these knives. Yeah. My workshop is a knife making blacksmith place. And so these knives made by me. It's a woodworking knife. It's a folding knife. It's all myself.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Yeah, folding knife. Yeah, handle made by me too. And so these kitchen knives, something kind, small one and long one. And especially this one is for sashimi. It's a single edge. And these handle made by me too. These two is ready-made. And so especially my place is really so unique. It's meaning my place is not only blacksmithing. I can make iron or steel by myself. It's meaning when I go to the beach, I collect iron sand from the beach, and then I try to tatara iron making method. I make steel from iron sand. After that, when I try forge welding, I can make material. I can change material from here to here. After that, I try to make knife. I can make this kind of knife.
Whoa.
Can you see this material? It's
Yeah.
like Damascus.
Oh yeah, you can see a pattern on there.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
And this is where the handle would go on here.
Yeah, that's right.
Interesting.
Okay.
Wow.
It's the same method of Japanese sword. It's similar method, not already.
So I'm only here just a short time, but typically, how long does it take to make a knife from start to finish?
Kind of this one?
Yeah.
It's take 6 days.
6 days.
Yeah.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
And people can come here to make their own knife.
Yeah, that's
and then
right.
When they finish, they leave here with a finished knife.
Yeah, sure.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's pretty amazing. Good. And I have some questions here. Why are all these knives? This one you said, I know this is for sashimi, right?
Yeah, that's right.
And these look like honchos, like normal knives? I'm
Yeah,
not
that's
sure.
right. It's very popular and so very useful for everything. This one.
Right.
This one is good for fruits. This one is cabbage or something vegetables.
Vegetable knife, yeah.
This one is for meat or something more long one, big one. Yeah. This one is like a European chef knife.
Okay.
Yeah.
They look almost the same, but I guess what is different besides, is it the blade? Is it the steel?
Yeah, thickness.
The thickness of it, yeah. You can
that's
see
right.
this one is much thicker, right?
Yeah, it's a little bit heavy, but it's good for sashimi. This one is very thin, otherwise very light. It's everything used for more useful. Yeah, for cut.
Good. And the handles, these are made with the wood from Shimanto here.
No,
No?
no, it's already made. Sorry.
Oh, great. And you make the handles in 6 days, too.
Yeah, this one too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. And a case, too. Oh, that comes with it, maybe.
Yeah, another place. Sorry.
Tell me a little bit about the studio that you have here. I know, like, Steelworks, my image is quite larger. You do everything yourself. How did you get this knowledge to do it?
How?
Yeah, just by yourself. It's just you,
Here,
right?
this place?
Yeah.
This place, this place my master built it by himself. Because it's a little bit big, because of when my master start this place, he wants to start teaching about blacksmithing and iron making by this one. It's
right.
meaning big space. It's need big space.
So this is where you pour the molten iron. Whoa.
You have iron sand put in here, and so burning. Take a half days. we can make, take us 3 days to make an iron. Yeah, burning it's a half day, about.
Oh, very
Yeah.
cool. And everything you need is right here in this one space.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, it's enough. And so here is a fireplace. We have 5. Right now, teacher is only me. Normally, I use only 2 for teaching.
Wow.
Yeah.
One-man band.
Yeah, that's right.
You do everything yourself.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, is this when I came here, I met three people from Yokosuka were here
Yeah, that's right.
to study this. These are the knives they made.
Yeah.
Ooh.
In this morning.
Oh, great. And
He
they
tried
signed
hard.
it too.
Yes, because his name is Max. It's writing by kanji. It's this kanji meaning Max.
Oh, cool.
Saidai.
Side-eye.
Yeah,
Very
and
nice.
his daughter requested heart mark. It's I try to engrave heart mark.
Oh, cool.
Getting better, not so good. And so his wife requested my name of engrave. It's
Oh,
my
good.
name here, stamping.
Yeah.
Yeah, my name is Fushi. It's meaning wind child.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's the hammer, and this is you would put the fire here, right?
Fire here.
The fire's here.
Yeah,
Oh, there
fire's
it is.
here.
There.
Yes.
So we heat it up here, and then
That's right.
use the hammer to forge it.
Yeah, that's right. Use hammer like this.
Cool.
And sometimes if it's guest here, I request to help me by big hammer.
Whoa.
Yeah, people try to hit by big hammer for first
Yeah.
time. And then move here. Of course, guests try to same things. Here. But if it's guest not here, I have partner, this machine.
Oh, yeah.
Normally,
Your
I use
partner.
this machine. Yeah. Of course, right now it's just demonstrate by wood, not iron, but so. Like this. Something like this.
All right.
Yeah, very easy.
Ooh, it's nice and warm.
Still hot.
Very cool. So people make knives like this. What if someone wanted like a sword?
Yeah, it's sometimes people want sword, make sword, but it's need license. I don't have that license.
Not
yeah.
that kind of a license. It's quite
Yeah.
difficult.
Yeah.
And they have a special steel, the
Tamahagane.
tamahagane steel.
Yeah, it's I use same method to make sword, but so only make not sword, more safety one only.
Right.
But otherwise, if people want so something original design, original shape of life, they can try. I show you. Many people came here, and so sometimes people want their original. Sorry, not so this one. But many people try to their original.
Oh, so they make a design in advance.
Yeah. If you people want something original, yeah, we can try something like this. Of course, engraved too. Yeah, something like this. Yeah, it's designed by French people came here.
Oh, a
Yeah.
French guy.
Yeah, French guy.
So wow, these
It's
look
to
like
So
these
many
are
kind of.
very specialized.
Yeah.
Is there any purpose for some of these, or just for design?
Yeah, that's right. It's good, maybe good for guests because so only one for the guest. But
Yeah.
otherwise, very pressure for me. Every time at the time, people requested original. I have to concentrate
That's
to
a lot
make.
of work. At what size does it become a sword that you need to register? What's the limit that you can?
To size?
Yeah, where's the point where a sword must be registered?
I see.
Or is it
It's a not size. It's a shape. Yeah. It's a for example. This one is a little bit so. Shape is a little bit similar about sword, but the back side of line it's a down. But it's sword. It's a straight. It's a straight up. It's a sword.
see.
I can't make to go up. Only just straight or a little bit down. I have to make.
So if it goes up and curves up a little bit like
Yeah,
a sword,
it's
then
a
it must be
dangerous.
registered as a weapon.
Yeah, that's right.
I see. I did not know that. But both of them can hurt you. I was like, I don't know. To me, yeah, it's a long. So if you make a long sword looping down, that's
Yeah,
okay.
that's right. But people don't need long one because we can't use so
If
long.
you're cutting
long one.
fish from a distance, maybe. No, it's
Maybe
great.
this size enough.
Yeah, that's enough. We have arms.
Yeah.
A good knife should be an extension of your body, right? So you don't want it to be so long.
Yeah.
Sure. So knives, I know like a lot of my knives come from like a Daiso 100 yen shop or something.
I see.
It's funny, but a lot of people just want
Yeah,
something
it's
to
a
cut.
cheap, but so it's a different saw material.
Ah.
Yeah. Normally, we use saw material, but steel name is blue steel or white steel.
Yeah.
That material is only for knives. That's a very special one. It's a when we try to hardening, it's a very good cut, and otherwise easy very sharpening.
Right.
It's a very good balance. But if it's by cheap one, it's a easy, very cut is very hard. It's a very otherwise so not so hard.
So a good knife will last you a
Yeah,
lifetime.
yeah,
Yeah. Should last you
yeah.
forever.
It's a different saw material. Yeah.
How many times do you fold the steel over? Is there a certain
Ah, you know everything. Yeah, okay.
That's a
It's
small thing,
yes.
small thing.
Yeah, it's a full sword, but for the welding, it's maybe 15 times ka. It's normally. But so when I try to with guest, always 8 times. Can you see that?
All right, yeah, I can
It's
see it counted.
I
up here on the-
remember we counted how many times. It's 8 times, sometimes 10, but so mainly 8 times. It's good enough.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's a pretty strong knife.
yeah, because only 6 days. It's a very short time to make.
Wow.
Yeah.
So what would be the ideal amount of time? 6 days is maybe the shortest.
Yeah,
What's
shortest.
the ideal time for someone to make a knife? Maybe 2 weeks or?
If people want, so it can be more long time. So a few years ago, one England lady came here. He requested 2 weeks to make. Yeah, she makes so many kind of knife.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, especially she make not so really knife. She's a English iron artist. Yeah, she tried to make kind of knife, shape of knife, but so he tried to something artwork to knife things. Yeah.
I wanted to ask you about this area, Shimanto. You're in the middle of nowhere. Well, I don't want to say nowhere. You're really deep in the Shimanto
Yeah,
Valley.
that's right.
It took me.
I like it.
It took me quite a while to drive around here and find it. Is there a reason why you like this space compared to
Yeah, because so when I was young, I don't like so city side. It's too many people. But here is the edge of Japan. It's meaning nobody here. Nature's. It's a very silence. It's more than animals. It's more than human. It's very comfortable for me.
I like it. Yeah, you have a lot of wildlife here too.
Yeah, that's
a lot of
right.
spiders though. Is that okay?
I don't care. I like.
I kind of care. Yeah.
Really.
Kind of big.
Really?
Very cool. And how long have you been here?
About 20 years.
Whoa.
Yeah. Take 10 years about learn from my master. After 10 years, alone to work. Yeah.
Wow. Where did you learn knife making? Where was
Here
in Shimanto?
in Shimanto, yes.
Wow. Very cool. So this is a good reason to come to Kochi to learn how to make knives and
Yeah, we
spend some
try.
time.
It's good place.
Do people stay here? Can they spend
Yeah,
the
it's the
night
same
here?
village.
Same
Very
village.
close. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So just over yonder. Cool. So these are all the tools that you use. This is just the raw iron here.
Yeah, that's right. On the way to make. Yeah, I have to make together all small pieces. It's need another technique, Oroshigane technique, but I can make together.
So this is the raw material. Do you get this here in Shimanto?
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, and you melt it there and then pour it, and it's a whole process.
Yeah, that's right. Half melted. I try to use this furnace and put on here with charcoal and make half melted and make join
Oh, must be hot.
for one piece.
Cool. Well, thanks so much for sharing this information with me. I just wanted to come here and check out. When I heard that there was a knife making a workshop that even I could come here and make a knife, I wanted to just check it out. And everything that you need is in this studio. And Hayashi-san has been doing this for 20 years. How long? Why do you speak such good English?
When I was young, I went to New Zealand 1 year because that country is very countryside. It's a very good place for nature.
North Island or South Island?
Both.
Oh,
Because I
nice.
bought a motorcycle in New Zealand. I go all around so riding by motorcycle. Sometimes walking in the mountains and tent and hut stay there. And so I really enjoyed New Zealand. And so when I go to hut, I met another country people, New Zealanders. I have to speak English. It's very pressure, but so good for learn and about speak English.
I think so.
Yeah.
So you have kind of Kiwi accent a little bit.
I don't know. You think so?
No, I think it's really good. It's good. Your English better than my Japanese, for
Thank
sure.
you very much.
Yeah. Great. So this is such a beautiful. Do you live here?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, your motorcycle.
Yeah, it's mine.
Very cool.
Yeah. My another partner.
Yeah. Excellent. So this is the Kurogane, the Iron Works. Is that the name of this?
Yeah, that's right. Kurogane is meaning, it's English name, it's translate English, it's black metal. It's because it's a long time, it's a historical, old word kana. It's Kurogane is an old word. Because long time ago, we call metal by color. It's iron, black, and so copper, it's a red, and silver, it's a white, and gold, yellow. Something called by color for metal. It's my workshop name is Kurogane. It's like meaning is iron, iron studio.
Very cool.
Yeah.
All right. If I had more time, I would make a knife, but
Yeah,
today,
welcome.
yeah,
Anytime.
Maybe I'll be back. This is great. This is a big attraction, I think, for the Shimanto area. You don't have to just do adventure sports. You can make a knife. So you leave here. So when you were doing for 6 days, is it very intensive? Morning till night, you're making the knife?
Yeah, sure. Very hard.
Wow. And then after you go and drink and eat, right?
Yeah, of course.
That's the way it should be. You have some fun and enjoy it, and then wake up early again at dawn to make a knife. I like that story. Thanks so much for your time today, sir. And
thank you.
yeah, I'll put the link in the description. You have a website, and I'll put that information in
Oh,
here.
thank you very much.
And if you're interested in coming to Shimanto, you can hang out at one of the guest houses,
Yes.
kind of a bed and breakfast.
Yeah, that's right.
Just down the street here.
Yeah.
And you can stay in this natural area. Shimanto's a pretty cool place to just chill out for a week, totally unwind. In 6 days of that, you'll leave here with a knife that you can use for good. Yeah. See everybody?
Yeah, thank you.
Off to the next place.
Yeah.
All right, I just finished editing this episode in the car on the road. I'm trying to get used to this lifestyle of making these videos out here on the road and uploading it on the road. It's pretty fun. This is a trip from Kyoto all the way down to Kochi. I've driven for the last 4 days. Tomorrow is my 4th and final day here. Here's a map. It's been a pretty cool adventure, and I think driving might be a little bit better than taking the train. If you haven't seen the introduction video, it's right here. I hope you do subscribe to this channel and you click that like button, share, because, man, lots of adventures around Japan coming up. Maybe I could rent this car again, because it's pretty cool. See everybody.